Rawalpindi, a city of history and heritage, of magical handicrafts, iconic marble work and world-class textiles. Over 100 years ago, right here in undivided India, in these bustling bazaars and gullies that waft with the intoxicating aroma of street delicacies, was born the saga of Puran Chand Jain and Sons. One that would weave its own legacy of flavors that a modern India loves to indulge, unwind and celebrate with. Over the years, Puran Chand Jain and Sons' iconic journey of vision, courage and resilience has not only kept pace with the evolution of the Indian palate, but indeed has actively tickled, inspired and influenced it. With bold new ideas and delightful new innovations, creating a lasting ripple that continues to shape India's food and beverage sector. It all stems from a steely determination to give patrons something they not only love but also trust, a resolve that has only grown stronger through generations.
Puran Chand Jain and Sons is more than just a company. It's a family that draws its heritage from resilience and unwavering belief and dream. People often ask me what has been Puran Chand Jain and Sons' dream, and my answer to them is always give people something that they can vouch for and trust for ages. Puran Chand Jain and Sons is a multi-generational organization. I am the third generation leading the company, and the fourth generation, my children, now are taking it forward with their vision and acumen.
Tracing the genesis of extraordinary journey.
We've had a very humble beginning by my grandfather, late Shri Puran Chand Jain ji. He started his company as the name suggests. He was a very resilient man with big dreams. We are reaping and building on his dream, even after completing 100 years. Needless to say, the company witnessed its share of ups and downs, but like the famous song says, "Main zindagi ka saath nibhata chala gaya." We celebrated all moments with our heads held up high. One such moment that we fondly remember as a family is how my grandfather set up his first shop in Sadar Bazaar, and let me tell you, this was a big feat even today, as it was in 1948. And then came one of our big breakthroughs as my father, late Shri Surendra Kumar Jain, and his brother established our first food manufacturing unit back in 1959. From there, it was all about deep diving into the then slowly evolving yet highly viable F&B industry.
As Indian televisions embraced color, so did the business. In 1985, a new subdivision, Solar, was strategically launched. Solar introduced Indian homes to sauces, gourmet sugars, seasonings, spices and RTE products. The company welcomed globalization with an open heart, a signal of its readiness to adapt with changing times.
In 1999, we launched Zone. A homegrown bar syrup brand that treats Indian palates with both exotic and Indian flavors. No wonder we are called flavor innovators, and for the past 25 years, this has been neither shaken nor stirred.